So we went back to Ross's Cliffs, me and a friend of mine, and he's in his early 60s. He's lived in this area all his life, and he's never been there. I had been there once many years ago. I was very young, and I don't like heights, but it's a nice place to visit if you just stay away from the edge, right? That's what I say. And Ross's Cliffs are on the west side of Ross's Pond, and Ross's Pond is within Old Furnace State Park. Yeah, if it wasn't for the constant hiking by people, this probably wouldn't. That's a yin-yang symbol. Yeah, big rock. Been sitting there for a long time. Yeah, no offense, but I don't want anybody behind me while I'm over. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to fall down there. No.
Water that flows, or some kind of brook or waterfall? Or?
Yeah, there is running water, but when we came in here a month or so ago, we came from the other side, the other end. So we saw all the running water at first. This time we came in,
made it easier
the other way. Yep, take care. Cool. I haven't been up here since I was very young. .5 ruins lives. What do you think that means?
6.5, 65 ruins lives.
No, it says 6.5.
Oh.
Ruins lives. I don't know what that means. This one's new too. This one's relatively new. 6/26/18. Swag and then a $. Yeah, there was lots of graffiti on the cliff ledge, the rocks up there, and a lot of it was fresh. Yeah. See what we got over here. This time, got to see the scenery and the view off of Ross's Cliffs, and hey, it wasn't bad. A nice place to visit. I don't want to hang out there too much, though. You know, it's a good hike. Yeah, you get your exercise, but it's okay. I survived. Down here on a different trail, on the other side from where the cliffs were. And this is where it gets dark. Watch out for the raptors.
Raptors?
It's like Jurassic Park down here.
There probably was one here once.
Whoa, look at the size of some of these rocks.
The light.
At the end of the tunnel?
What's that?
The light at the end of the tunnel?
Yeah, see the light at the end of the tunnel where the water's coming in?
Yeah, I do.
That's what I said it was.
Yeah.
This was built a long freaking time ago. We even had a fenced off so people couldn't. Whatever.